Hey beauties, today I'm going to be refreshing my color at home using some Madison Reed products. I am so excited. My hair needs a little help, so let's go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deanndra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content, all of which I keep affordable, lots of DIY, lots of budget-friendly shopping around here. So if you are bougie on a budget as well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and let's get into this hair refreshing video. This video is not sponsored, but they did send over all of this product. I have actually used the Madison Reed balayage kit on my YouTube channel before. I will link it down in the description box if you want to check it out. I really enjoyed the balayage kit, so I was so excited when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their product. I have been needing a hair refresher, but I am avoiding bleach at the moment. I just had to cut off my hair because it was so dry and just wasn't looking its best. So what I'm gonna do is try to brighten up my color using this primer. This is the Prime for Perfection, and basically it just removes excess color buildup and creates a smooth base to optimally receive new color. I did also pick up the Color Reviving Gloss in the color Crema. This is the cool violet beige tones and it is actually purple. They do have other color options like brunettes, golden blondes, reds. So if you are looking for something to refresh your color but you're not actually blonde or you don't want to put purple in, they do have other color options. I felt like the purple one was the safest. They did also send over their Pro Boost line. So they sent Strength, Seal, which I'm definitely going to need, Shine, and Hydrate. Honestly, I'll probably just make a concoction. There goes another nail. Awesome. Don't mind my broken nails. I mean, there's no hiding it at this point, but we are going on vacation and I'm just kind of letting them fall off so that I can put a new set on. Anyways, back to this. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a concoction of all four of them together and see what it does, because all of these options sound amazing and I have them all, so let's just try them all. They did also send over two styling products. This one is the Sleek Attack Styling Cream, and I did actually use it to blow dry my hair maybe like, not yesterday, but the day before. And my hair still looks super shiny and sleek. Like even in my bangs, like my bangs are kind of fried and they look so sleek today. That was 2 days ago, so I definitely think that it was this product. I also got the Loud and Proud Volumizing Foam. I honestly haven't tried this. It does say to apply to damp hair before blow drying or air drying. So I think I'm gonna use this after the gloss and we will see how voluminous I can get my hair. You guys know I love big fluffy hair. I do have to let you guys know that I am not a professional hairstylist. I have never had any training. I just do what I do on my own hair, and it's been a lot of trial and error, but you know, I trust myself more than I trust anyone else. And yeah, you should know that I am not a professional hairstylist. Not a professional. I just like to do my hair at home. I think it's fun. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, y'all aren't even gonna have to really see my broken nails, so that's a win. I just realized that I did that whole talk through in a cape and not in my cute shirt that I strategically picked out for this video, so that's cool. I think I'm just going to section. I don't think I'm gonna go all the way up to my roots with the primer just because my roots are pretty grown out. It's coming out way too fast. Please don't tell me, maybe I have a bowl. Maybe I should use a bowl. We got a bowl. So I'm just pouring that into the bowl using my hands. It doesn't smell bad, but it doesn't smell good. But it's not like an overwhelming hair dye smell. It's definitely dripping everywhere. I really wish I had like one of those little squirt bottles. You can tell I box dye my hair a lot because that's the application process I'm used to. So I'm just saturating the strands from the bottom to the top where my color looks like it meets my roots. I'm leaving maybe like an inch to an inch and a half from my roots because I know that I have at least that much growth. And I'm just scooping it in my hands and starting on the bottom, working my way up, and then I'm just kind of blending it all together. Small little 1-inch sections. I am gonna end up using the whole bottle, which my hair is pretty thick, so I was kind of getting nervous halfway through that I wouldn't have enough, but I do think I'm gonna have enough for my whole head, so that's good. I really only needed one bottle. Just adding more, just to make sure at least the top layer is overly saturated. It doesn't say on here how long to leave on, so I'll probably just leave on, what, like 25 minutes? I'll come back and check in. Pretty quick, easy process. Let's hope it lightens. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, here is what my hair looks like after the primer. I definitely feel like it's a little bit lighter. Cool, it did its job. My hair doesn't feel super dry or extra coarse or anything. I did use the Pro Boost Strength and the Hydrate. I'm gonna use the Seal and the Shine after the gloss. Now just pouring some of that into the bowl. As you can see, it is purple and it's a little bit thicker than the primer, so hopefully I don't make as much of a mess. Then I'm just going to part my hair again, the same way that I did the first time, just starting from the bottom and working my way up. And then doing the exact same thing that I did with the primer. So I'm gonna take small sections and start at the bottom and then work my way up. It definitely has the same scent as the primer, and that was nice and easy to apply, honestly. I am gonna work all the way up, leaving about a 1.5 inch section, the same way that I did with the primer. Just because I know my roots, there's really no point in wasting product. And then I am pulling all the pieces together and just kind of blending them together so that I don't miss any strands. And that's the color. It's more of like a bluish purple. Definitely blue undertones in there. I just got a huge chunk of this on my rug. It's It's okay because my husband got self-tanner on it the other day, so hopefully I can get those stains out. But if not, guess I'm going to Marshall's soon. All right, so as you can see, I just kind of blended it in all into one piece. I'm gonna do that all the way up to the top of my hair. Between each layer, just grab everything underneath and just blend all the way down so that you are blending all your product through your hair. It just helps distribute everything better and not come out patchy. So here is what my hair looks like fully saturated. I did use the whole bottle. I kind of wish I had 2 because I did start running a little bit low, and unfortunately I feel like I should have applied it more on the top. Maybe I should have started from the top and worked my way down, but either way, I think everything is not saturated. Definitely should have needed 2 bottles, but oh, look how saturated everything is down here. Okay, let's see how much more we can get out of this. Oh, yay! I'm gonna store that upside down. Okay. Let's get here, definitely my bangs. So, lesson learned. If you have thick hair, buy 2 bottles of the gloss, so you're not panicking like I am right now. Now I'm gonna start my 35-minute timer. I ran to Ulta the next morning, and lucky for me, there was 1 bottle left of this gloss in the exact same color. So I ran home and I was so anxious to get it on my hair that I completely forgot to turn on my microphone. But basically, I'm just applying the same exact product starting from the top of my hair, and I only applied on the top half of my hair. I worked from the side sections, and then I did a couple layers in the back just to make sure that everything in the back was toned as well. The reason that I didn't go all the way down my hair is because the bottom half of my hair was fully saturated and I just didn't want it to become overtoned, making my hair 2 different colors or taking the chance that it turned purple or anything like that. So I stuck with the top half and I just saturated my whole hair in about 1-inch sections. And so yeah, that's what I'm doing here. Here are my results. I don't think that it's necessarily lighter than it was before, but it's definitely more toned, and yeah. So it did give my hair a nice refresh because I was starting to get some of those yellow and orange undertones that just would not come out with blue or purple shampoo. So it definitely did its job and refreshed my color. I do like to show you guys my results in natural light just so you guys kind of see the best color payoff on camera. I'm really liking my results. My hair feels so nice. I did just go ahead and mix all of those little small treatments that they sent, and I'm really enjoying those as well. So let me show you guys from the back. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Please remember that I am not a professional. This is just what I do to my own hair in my house on my own, and I will leave my hair playlist down below in case you want to binge. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.